Vamdrup, Lima Sierra Papa, ready to copy clearance.
Skudstrup approach clears Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa to Aarhus via R-deck, 3000 feet, squawk 2537.
Skudstrup clears Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa to Aarhus via R-deck, 3000 feet, and I squawk 2537, Lima Sierra Papa.
Lima Sierra Papa, read back correct, and for my statistics, are you alone on board?
AFM.
Thank you. Lima Sierra Papa, no traffic on runway.
Roger, departing on runway 19, Lima Sierra Papa.
Lima Sierra Papa, no reported traffic in the zone. Wind is 250 degrees, 14 knots.
Roger, Lima Sierra Papa.
Answer about that, new QNH 1011.
QNH 1011, Lima Sierra Papa.
Sierra Papa Airborne 30, contact now, Skudstrup approach 124.1. Have a nice flight.
Taking to Skudstrup on 124.1, thank you, Lima Sierra Papa. Skudstrup approach, hello, Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, 1000 feet, climbing 3000 feet, inbound Aarhus.
Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, Skudstrup approach, identified.
Afskæring i baguniform, Mike, traffic out of runway, trafik ud af bane 19 i Vamdrup. I et venstre drej ud, stiger og baserer 1300 fod nu nordpå.
Ja, modtaget, vi bare sender sydlig grænse af Kolding by, også lige fra Mike.
Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, contact Billund approach 127.575.
127.575, thank you, Lima Sierra Papa. Approach to Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, 2,700 feet, climbing 3,000 feet, inbound Aarhus.
Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, Billund, Roger, low identified, climb to flight level 50, and confirm you're going direct Aarhus or direct R-deck.
Climb to flight level 50, direct R-deck for the ILS, Lima Sierra Papa.
Direct R-deck and flight level 50, Roger.
Skyline 350, we are ready for vectors.
Scandinavian 350, turn right heading 200.
Right heading 200, Scandinavian 350.
Scandinavian 928, turn further right heading 3, correction 230, and of course Scandinavian 350, turn right heading 230.
Right side 230, Scanner and midway contact.
Lima Sierra Papa, contact Copenhagen Control 123.730, bye.
Contacting Copenhagen Control 123.730. So long, Lima Sierra Papa.
Oscar Kilo Golf, så må du gerne skifte til Vamdrup, hvis du vil det, 120,5.
120,5, det var jeg.
Alpha climbing flight level 190 at Vamdrup.
North 17 Mike Alpha, Copenhagen, you identify, climb flight level 280.
280, North 17 Mike Alpha.
Copenhagen Control, Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, flight level 50.
Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, Copenhagen, you identify, continue to Arctic.
Continue to Arctic, Lima Sierra Papa.
North 17 Mike Alpha, contact Copenhagen 128.215, goodbye.
215, North 17 Mike Alpha, thanks, bye-bye.
Copenhagen Control, Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, request flight level 60.
Lima Sierra Papa, climb flight level 60.
Climb flight level 60, Lima Sierra Papa.
IFR 92 Papa, contact approach 119.805, bye-bye.
119.805, IFR 92 Papa, so long.
Approach 119.275.
Roger, going to 119.275. Thank you, Lima Sierra Papa.
Right in use. The wind is 240 degrees 9er, QNH 1009.
Texas 2 forward, 1 way use, 2 way right. QNH 1019, GPS 126 Mike.
Aarhus approach, Lima November Alpha Sierra Papa, hello. Flight level 60, inbound Arctic.
Lima Sierra Papa, Aarhus, you are identified. Descend to 3,000 feet on QNH 1009er. Expect ILS or visual approach to attempt.
Roger, descend to 3,000 feet on QNH 1009er and expect ILS approach runway 28 left, Lima Sierra Papa.
Present weather 240 degrees 8 knots, visibility 35 kilometers, broken 3,500 feet, temperature 6, dew point 4, QNH 1009.
Roger, QNH 1009, Lima Sierra Papa.
Aarhus, god eftermiddag, Oscar Yankee Golf, Echo Foxtrot, descending 70 inbound Arctic.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot Aarhus, identify descent to flight level 50, expect ILS approach or visual runway 28.
Down 50, ILS 28, Oscar Echo Foxtrot.
Lima Sierra Papa, descent to 2,000 feet, 1009er.
Down to 2,000 feet on 1009 on Lima Sierra Papa.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot, the wind is 240 degrees 11, visibility 37 kilometers, broken 3,300 feet, temperature 6, dew point 4, QNH 1009er, time decision level 45.
1009, copy, Oscar Echo Foxtrot.
Aarhus Lima Sierra Papa confirmed our cleared down to 2,000 feet.
Lima Sierra Papa, FM 2,000 feet.
2,000 feet, Lima Sierra Papa, thank you.
Aarhus approach, Seabird 113 Charlie, westward to control zone via Vamdrup.
Seabird 113 Charlie, report right hand, downwind runway 28 left or right as you request.
Will report with on right downwind for runway 28 left, Seabird 113 Charlie.
Roger. Lima Sierra Papa, turn left heading 290, cleared ILS 28 left.
Left 290, cleared ILS 28 left Lima Sierra Papa.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot, descend to 2,000 feet, 1009er.
Down 2,000, 1009, Oscar Echo Foxtrot.
Aarhus Lima Sierra Papa, establish ILS runway 28 left.
Lima Sierra Papa, continue approach.
Continue approach Lima Sierra Papa.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot, I'll take your slide to 2 center line for spacing. Lima Sierra Papa, are you able to speed up by 10 to 15 knots?
FM Lima Sierra Papa.
Thank you. Seabird 113 Charlie, runway 28 left, clear to land or touch and go as you request.
Seabird 113 Charlie, clear to land for a full stop.
Whatever. Oscar Echo Foxtrot, turn left to heading 230.
Left turn heading 230, Oscar Echo Fox.
Sierra Papa runway 28 left, clear to land, 240 degrees, 9 knots.
Runway 28 left, clear to land, Lima Sierra Papa.
Oscar Fox, correcting.
Aarhus, Oscar Inge Julia, Kilo Lima, gå med dig.
Bird 126, Mike runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff. Wind is 230 degrees, 9 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28 right, 226 Mike.
Lima Sierra Papa, landing time 18 via Echo, cross runway 28 right for GA parking.
Exit via Echo, cross 28 right for GA parking, Lima Sierra Papa.
Rescue 514, starting up again.
Rescue 514 start up is approved for 28 right intersection Whiskey, QN 810090. The wind is 240 degrees, 10 knots.
1009, rescue start up for 28, rescue 514.
Oscar Fox, establish direct 28 left for Mr. Approach.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot, wind 240 degrees, 1028 left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Mr. Approach, Oscar Fox.